Hi Nepenthes lovers, back with another video for you guys. Today it's a little bit different. I am Dominic Ravine, owner of Red Leaf Exotics, where we love growing Nepenthes. And today we're up in one of our bedrooms, and that's because we got a grow tent, thanks to MarsHydro. And we love seeing people's plants growing in these. They're awesome, especially if you get a larger collection. Everything does so nice in them. So we're gonna open this up, put it together, and see what this MarsHydro grow tent looks like. So I'm gonna cut this box open. This grow tent is 5 feet by 5 feet by 6 feet, which is a really nice size. So I just wanna experiment, grow some plants beside the bed, wake up with Nepenthes right beside me. And I think this grow tent is gonna be just like that. Okay, so I'm seeing some white bars. Oh, these are nice too because I could already tell it looks like the frame. You just click everything together, which love that. Makes life easier if there are no screws, but I don't know if there are no screws, so let's see. Here is the user manual and the instructions. So we'll keep these out. These are connector tees, it looks like. Some strips. Here it is. Oh, wow. We send stickers out to our customers. MarsHydro sends a whole book of stickers. It looks like these are so cool. Neat. Thanks, MarsHydro. Okay, so here's the tent. Wow. This is a really sturdy material. I could tell already. It's so tough. It's almost like a duffel bag. Wow. And just a note, I've had some customers that have grow tents message us and ask a good place to get them because they were having issues with humidity actually breaking their tents down a lot. And I've just seen a lot of really good reviews with MarsHydro, and people seem to be so happy with them. So I'm excited to see how durable this is. Definitely gonna load this up with Nepenthes. Wow, but this is big and heavy. So I'm gonna start assembling this and I'll see you guys at the finish. So Brian and I, my love, got this together, and it definitely takes two people to get this big tarp-like covering over this. But this is so tough and durable, and I love the reflective surface, so I'm excited. The plants are gonna love this, I could tell already. And I have a little surprise. Also, from MarsHydro is their new SP3000. It is supposed to be one of the best LED on the market, especially for the price. I believe they're $399, and that is awesome. Usually greenhouse fixtures like this cost close to $2,000, so leading edge light, amazing. I'm actually going to put a link in the video to a guy that does light reviews on all kind of grow lights, and he said it's one of the best for the price and the square feet and the par and all that good stuff. But if you want to get into the science aspects, I will link him. But we're going to turn this thing on. Wait until you see this. Whoa! Ah! How bright is this? A cool feature is it's dimmable, so you can turn it down, and bright as heck. Holy moly, get in there and look at that. That is the only light that I will need in this grow tent. The Nepenthes are going to love this. There's so much light reflection. And it's going to be a nice, you know, wake up, see the Nepenthes, have some coffee, then get down the greenhouse, see more Nepenthes. But I'm really excited to do more videos on this tent and get some Nepenthes. It's so bright in here, I can't see. I might need sunglasses. But get more Nepenthes in this tent and update you guys on how I'm caring for them in a tent. They do seem to grow really well in them. So I hope you guys really loved this, a little different video, but similar. And MarsHydro, I'm loving them. Thank you so much, MarsHydro. I can't wait to show you guys what I do in this thing. Thanks, guys.